For those na working students, like, what's your motivation to actually finish school? Kasi merong iba dyan na sobrang ganda na ng opportunity na ginagawa nila. Right? And they're still continuing to finish school. Now, for those na nagtatrabaho na medyo hesitant na kung ipagpapatuloy or hindi, I think this could be your answer. No? So, kasi nagpapatuloy pa to.
I have my thoughts on it. Pero let's start with this guy.
For me, there's two things kasi. Me personally, kaundangon ako ba? Kaundangon agad ko. Why? But here's the thing. Why? Because my intention with life or the things that I want to become in the future is not, di na required na maging may diploma. For example, like, gusto mo maging nursing or like, you want to become a doctor or you want to become an engineer, lawyer ba? Of course, you need to have a degree. You have to show diploma as well. But for me, gusto ko maging CEO ng agency or like, gusto ko maging life coach and to help or add value to the people and make the Philippines first world country as well.
Oh.